I was into horses when I was young. I was 2 years old when my dad got out of the Army. He bought me a pony, and I had that pony until he was like 30 years old. So horses were my hobby, and I used to train horses in the summer in Findlay, Ohio. I used to show both quarter horses and riding, and then after that I showed Dutch harness horses and Morgans and driving. And we did that mainly on the East Coast and Canada. And yeah, it was a real rush to do that.
Winning entry of the Dutch harness horse, put to the gig. Stephen Pierce up for the winning drive with a time of 49.43, earning our first blue here on Friday morning.
And I was lucky my sons got into it, but they showed horses with me for a few years. And so that was a kind of a family affair. The reason I got into restoring carriages was because I couldn't afford to buy a good one. And so I figured the only way to do it is to buy an old one and learn how to fix them up and how to paint and do that kind of thing. So that's how I got into restoring carriages, and then other people would ask you to do it, and so I did it for a number of years, learning that patience was a virtue. Because you have to get things ready before you paint them. It was always easy to say, well, I'll just get that thing and paint it, and it would not look that well. So you found out that maybe if you spent 1,000 hours getting it ready and an hour to paint it, you're probably doing it about right.